On a soft, sunny morning, a cute baby panda rolled gently down a grassy hill, giggling in its own quiet way. At the bottom, a playful baby elephant was splashing in a tiny puddle, sending little drops of water sparkling in the air. Nearby, a small puppy chased its own tail in circles, while a small baby kid sat on the ground, clapping hands with joy at everything happening around. The panda slowly stood up, a little dizzy, but happy. The elephant noticed and happily stomped its feet, making the puddle ripple like magic. The puppy jumped over, curious and full of energy, and the baby kid crawled closer, eyes wide with excitement. Soon, all four friends began exploring together. They walked toward a patch of colorful flowers that danced in the breeze. The panda gently touched the petals. The elephant carefully smelled them with its tiny trunk. The puppy rolled among them, and the baby kid picked a flower and held it close with a big smile. As they moved forward, they found a small stream. The water was clear and made a soft, calming sound. The elephant carefully stepped in first, testing the water, while the panda watched with curiosity. The puppy bravely jumped across the stones, almost slipping but quickly regaining balance. The baby kid sat at the edge, dipping tiny feet into the cool water and laughing silently. Suddenly, the puppy spotted a butterfly fluttering nearby. It ran after it in a playful chase, zigzagging across the grass. The panda waddled behind, trying to keep up. The elephant followed slowly, making sure no one got too far. The baby kid crawled as fast as possible, determined not to be left behind. After a long and fun chase, they all grew a little tired. They gathered under a big shady tree. The panda lay on its back. The elephant sat peacefully. The puppy curled up in a fluffy ball, and the baby kid leaned gently against the elephant. Soft wind blew through the leaves, and everything felt calm and safe. Their little adventure had filled the day with joy, laughter, and togetherness. As the sun began to set, the four friends rested happily, knowing that exploring together made every moment more special.